we're going to use a dog translation app, and you've got to tell me if what they're saying is right. So what does this mean? What does this mean? What about this one? What does this one mean? It's a word you really don't like. It means no. So this app is meant to translate what you say. So we see how accurate it is, shall we? You ready? Let's sit through a 25-second ad first. You got to speak and then I'll record it. You ready? It says, play with me. Is that what you said? Should we try again? Let's turn the volume up a bit. Ready? Ready?
I am hungry.
Well, that's pretty accurate to key 99% of the time, isn't it? You hungry? Okay. But I have a feeling this has a limited number of responses.
I want to go out for a walk.
Oh, I want to go out for a walk. We've already been for one, haven't we? That's all we get before we have to do another ad. Another 30 seconds this time.
Play with me.
And we're back to that one. How about if I speak using this one and then you tell me if the translation is correct. Are you hungry? Was that not accurate? Are you happy? You are. What's that? What does this mean? You did a good copy. That's pretty good.